African Civet, the secretive night hunter of Africa. In the shadowy depths of Africa's forests and savannas, a mysterious predator emerges as darkness falls. The African civet, Civetictis civetta, with its distinctive black and white markings and cat-like grace, represents one of nature's most enigmatic nocturnal hunters. This remarkable carnivore has adapted to thrive in the continent's diverse ecosystems while maintaining an air of secrecy that has captivated researchers and wildlife enthusiasts for generations. A living ghost of the African night. The African civet stands as the largest member of the vivarid family in Africa, measuring between 67 to 84 centimeters in body length, with an additional 34 to 47 centimeters of tail. Weighing anywhere from 7 to 20 kilograms, these animals possess a robust build that combines feline elegance with mongoose-like agility. Their most striking feature is their coat pattern, a canvas of gray-brown fur adorned with bold black spots and stripes that create a natural camouflage perfectly suited for their nocturnal lifestyle. The civet's facial features are equally distinctive, with a pointed snout reminiscent of a raccoon, alert ears that can detect the slightest sound, and eyes that reflect light with an otherworldly gleam. A prominent black mask extends across their face, while white markings around the mouth and throat create a striking contrast that makes them instantly recognizable to those fortunate enough to encounter one in the wild. Masters of diverse habitats. African civets demonstrate remarkable adaptability, inhabiting a vast range of ecosystems across sub-Saharan Africa. From the dense rainforests of Central Africa to the acacia woodlands of East Africa, and from the Miombo forests of southern Africa to the gallery forests along major river systems, these animals have successfully colonized environments that would challenge many other species. Their preference for areas with dense vegetation provides crucial cover during daylight hours and hunting opportunities during their active nighttime period. Civets particularly favor regions with access to permanent water sources, as their diet often includes aquatic prey and they require regular drinking water. This habitat preference explains their absence from extremely arid regions, though they can survive in surprisingly dry conditions when necessary. The species shows remarkable tolerance for human-modified landscapes, often thriving in agricultural areas, plantations, and even suburban environments where sufficient cover and food sources remain available. This adaptability has been crucial for their survival in an increasingly human-dominated continent. The art of nocturnal hunting. As twilight descends across the African landscape, the civet begins its transformation from a sleeping shadow into an active predator. These animals are primarily crepuscular and nocturnal, meaning their peak activity occurs during dawn, dusk, and throughout the night hours. Their hunting strategy combines patience, stealth, and opportunism in ways that make them supremely effective predators. African civets are omnivorous by nature, but their diet leans heavily toward animal protein. Small mammals form the cornerstone of their nutrition, including rodents, shrews, and young rabbits. Their hunting technique involves slow, deliberate stalking followed by explosive bursts of speed to capture prey. Their powerful jaws and sharp teeth make quick work of small mammals, while their dexterous paws allow them to manipulate and consume their catches efficiently. However, their dietary flexibility extends far beyond mammals. Civets are accomplished bird hunters, capable of climbing trees to raid nests for eggs and nestlings. Ground-dwelling birds and their eggs provide regular opportunities for these stealthy predators. During certain seasons, insects become a significant portion of their diet, with beetles, grasshoppers, and termites providing essential protein and nutrients. Perhaps most surprisingly, African civets consume substantial quantities of fruit, particularly during seasons when preferred prey becomes scarce. This frugivorous behavior serves multiple ecological functions, as civets become important seed dispersers for numerous plant species. Their consumption of fallen fruits helps maintain forest ecosystems and contributes to plant reproduction across their range. Social structure and communication. African civets lead predominantly solitary lives, coming together only during mating season. Each individual maintains a territory that can range from 2 to 10 square kilometers, depending on habitat quality and prey availability. These territories are marked using scent glands located near the anal region, which produce a musky secretion that serves as both a territorial marker and a means of individual identification. The famous civet musk has played a significant role in human culture for centuries. This powerful scent, once highly prized in the perfume industry, is produced by specialized glands and used by civets to communicate information about territory ownership, reproductive status, and individual identity. While synthetic alternatives have largely replaced natural civet musk in commercial applications, the substance remains an important aspect of civet biology and behavior. Communication among civets extends beyond scent marking to include a variety of vocalizations. These animals can produce a range of sounds from soft purring and chattering to harsh growls and screams when threatened or during territorial disputes. Their vocal repertoire allows them to communicate across distances while maintaining their secretive nature. Reproduction and life cycle. The reproductive cycle of African civets reflects their adaptation to seasonal changes in food availability and environmental conditions. Breeding typically occurs during the warmer months when prey is most abundant, though timing can vary significantly across their extensive range. After a gestation period of approximately 60 to 72 days, females give birth to litters of 2 to 4 young in secure den sites. These dens are often located in hollow logs, rock crevices, abandoned termite mounds, or dense vegetation thickets that provide protection from predators and harsh weather conditions. Civet kits are born blind and helpless, requiring intensive maternal care during their first weeks of life. The mother rarely leaves the den during the initial period, relying on stored body fat to sustain herself while nursing her young. As the kits develop, they begin to explore their immediate surroundings under their mother's watchful supervision. The weaning process begins at around 14 to 16 weeks, though young civets may remain with their mother for several additional months, learning essential hunting and survival skills. This extended learning period is crucial for their development, as the complex hunting strategies and territorial behaviors of adult civets require considerable practice to master. Ecological importance. African civets play vital ecological roles that extend far beyond their position as predators. As seed dispersers, they contribute significantly to forest regeneration and plant community maintenance. Many plant species rely on civets and other mammals to transport their seeds away from parent trees, reducing competition and increasing genetic diversity within plant populations. Their predation on small mammals helps regulate rodent populations, potentially reducing crop damage in agricultural areas and maintaining ecological balance in natural habitats. This pest control service provides substantial benefits to human communities, though it often goes unrecognized and unappreciated. Furthermore, civets serve as prey species for larger predators including leopards, lions, and large pythons. This position in the food web makes them important links in African ecosystem energy flow and predator-prey dynamics. Conservation challenges and status. Currently, the African civet maintains a relatively stable conservation status across most of its range, classified as least concern by the International Union for Conservation of Nature. However, this classification masks significant regional variations and emerging threats that could impact populations in the future. Habitat loss represents the primary long-term threat to civet populations. As Africa's human population continues to grow, forests are cleared for agriculture, urban development, and infrastructure projects. While civets show remarkable adaptability to human-modified landscapes, they still require minimum levels of cover and prey availability to maintain viable populations. Climate change poses additional challenges, potentially altering prey availability and habitat suitability across the civet's range. Changes in precipitation patterns could affect the distribution of suitable habitat, while rising temperatures might impact the timing of breeding cycles and food resource availability. In some regions, civets face direct persecution due to conflicts with human activities. They occasionally raid poultry farms and may damage crops while foraging, leading to retaliatory killing by farmers. Additionally, some populations face pressure from hunting for bushmeat or traditional medicine purposes. The future of Africa's night hunter. The African civet's future depends largely on humanity's ability to balance development needs with wildlife conservation. Their adaptability provides hope for long-term survival, but continued habitat protection and sustainable land use practices will be essential for maintaining healthy populations across their range. Research efforts continue to unveil new aspects of civet ecology and behavior, providing valuable insights for conservation planning. Camera trap studies have revealed previously unknown details about their activity patterns and habitat preferences, while genetic studies are beginning to clarify population structure and connectivity across the species range. As we move forward, the African civet serves as a reminder of the incredible diversity and adaptability of Africa's wildlife. These secretive night hunters continue to play their ancient ecological roles while adapting to an increasingly human-dominated world. Their success story offers hope for conservation efforts across the continent, demonstrating that with proper protection and management, Africa's wildlife can continue to thrive alongside human communities. The African civet embodies the mystery and resilience of African wildlife. In the darkness of night, as these remarkable predators emerge to begin their ancient hunt, they carry forward millions of years of evolutionary adaptation and ecological wisdom. Protecting them means preserving not just a species, but an integral part of Africa's natural heritage for future generations to discover and appreciate. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos.